It's the ao Scrum-ptious challenge. On the left, we have flanker Ben Curry. Born in Cheshire, he came to the Sale Sharks Academy and made his debut age 18 against the Wasps. On the right, we have Josh Beaumont, the son of former England captain Bill. Josh has gone on to rack up more than 100 appearances for the Sale Sharks and is consistently one of the first names on the team sheet. In the middle, to make sure there's no foul play, and on commentator duties, we have hooker Curtis Langdon. Joined the Sharks from London Irish, and Curtis's signature dish is a beef pot noodle. Our challenge today is to make a Victoria sponge. Let's go. You've got basic instructions.
Yeah, like add ingredients to bowl.
How are you feeling about this, Ben? You've got the oven sorted.
Yeah, that's the best part. I'm not going much further than that.
So how much butter are you putting in there?
Gonna go for usually around 200, I reckon.
It's quite buttery. One of these is Purcell.
I reckon
Leave a little bit.
there. No.
Oh yeah, you want more?
Yeah.
Right.
Woo! Ooh!
Can I get more butter?
I think you've put all the butter in it.
This is actually one of the only bits I remember
Here we go.
about baking a cake is greasing the tin. Does anyone want a biscuit?
You were panicking before, how do you feel now?
Yeah, a bit more optimistic, to be honest.
Well, Nick, don't throw it back.
Okay, that's
Nick! Actually tastes alright, that.
But Josh is he's going in the oven now. That doesn't need to go in the oven, that's a tray to rest it on after.
Quick, get it in that.
This is, oh, I'm being rushed. You're rushing me.
But now that the cakes are in the oven, and let's be honest, it was like bathing a cat.
I've also found the culprit of why mine will go terribly wrong.
Somebody put a Brussels sprout in it. I mean, I'm saying somebody. You are mixing flour and... What have you put in there?
I don't know.
I reckon that could be ready, especially that back one.
Oh.
That looks like two massive biscuits.
Nah, that looks decent.
That feels nice.
I'm bringing mine out.
I'll be honest,
thin.
Ben, these look infinitely better than I think anyone was expecting.
That's
I think they just need to cool for a long time.
That's not good.
Almonds rise quite nicely. You just need to...
Yeah, dude.
That's, you appear to have made two Victoria naan breads.
It's not looking good.
This is the decorating stage. The decoration has to be a portrait of your opponent.
Do you put them on top of each other?
Josh, you've just got stuck straight in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good though. You get this one on top.
Yeah, I'll put a layer of... Ooh.
It's jam, no, like if jam's messy, that's good, isn't it?
Ben, just look at me.
Oh no, you distracted me.
I like the way you do it. Like he's not gonna copy you because you've got a different face to him.
He's receding a bit, isn't he? So
Yeah, he is receding. Maybe he's got a bald patch at the
No,
top.
I'm greying, I'm not receding.
Josh, you're obviously being a bit more open with your work.
Just for his nose.
Are you
Christmas edition.
Are you happy?
Yes, very.
Happy with what you're getting at the moment?
Yeah, someone's taking a bite out of this top end.
You've just got to assemble now, which I'm going to level with you could be the more precarious.
Oh.
Look at that.
Honestly, I'm absolutely staggered. So the baking has happened. Curtis, I'm asking you to judge it in 3 key areas: creativity, appearance, taste. First of all, appearance.
They're both really good-looking cakes. Yeah, this one really does look like Ben. I love what he's done with Beaumont's ears. I'm going to go on appearance. I'm going to go this one.
What on appearance?
Wow, you're raging with that, aren't you, mate?
Creativity, however, I'm going to have to give it to Beau just for the use of the Brussels sprout.
So really, it all comes down to taste. We'll start with Ben's.
Oh, look how softly that goes in. Easy. Oh. Ooh.
Very spongy.
Very spongy. Ooh. Oh. Mate, that actually tastes like a proper cake.
It's actually not too bad.
I feel like if you eat that one, you have to have the Brussels sprout with it.
Oh yeah, it's a bit firmer.
There's a little less forgiveness. Looking forward to this one slightly less. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it's not great.
It's too dry. I mean, oh my God.
So that can only mean one thing, Ben. Congratulations, you are our champion.
Thank you very much.
So there we have it, the ao Scrum-ptious challenge. Let us know what you think and see you soon.